Coursiify. Imagine if you could own Udemy.com with a push of a button, world's first AI app that uses machine learning to build us a profitable Udemy-like business, then drives 19,575 clicks to it daily, resulting in $124.46 in daily sales. Prefilled with courses, course title, videos, images, templates, reviews, FAQs, and more. No experience needed. Just talk to our smart assistant, Sonia, and she will do all the work for you. Watch how we create Udemy-like profitable business with a click of a button. First 99 action takers get instant access to Coursiify AI Profit Multiplier. Average user saw a 200% increase in profit, worth $1,997. Create your first e-learning platform in just a few seconds. AI content generator that will give you 99% human-like accuracy. Our AI assistant, Sonia, will do all the work for you. No need to learn or record anything yourself. Generate AI courses in any niche you want with zero previous experience. Coursiify will give you all the traffic you need with zero ads. Accept payments with any payment processor you like. Comes with a commercial license for 100% free. Choose from dozens of stunning templates or customize your own. 99.99% uptime guaranteed. No complicated setup. Get up and running in 2 minutes. Zero upfront cost. 30 days money-back guarantee. Get Coursiify and launch your e-learning business now. Just pay once instead of monthly. Free commercial license plus one-time low price ends when timer hits 0. With Coursiify, you don't need to be an expert. People think that you need to be an expert on a subject to create a course. And that used to be true. But with AI, it's different. With a click, you will be able to create courses on any subject you want, without even having a clue about it. And within seconds, too. You don't need to record any courses. If you think we are creating the courses ourselves, you are wrong, my friend. I don't have the knowledge or the charisma to do it. Instead, we let Coursiify do it for us. We just enter a keyword or select a niche, and our AI will do all the courses for us within a minute. You don't need to create a website. Yes, that's right. Coursiify will do it for you on autopilot. It will give you a fully customizable website to put all your courses on, and also to accept payment on, without even paying for hosting. You get it for free. You don't need to design anything, let's just admit it. You and I are not designers. It's a completely different set of skills, but you don't have to worry about this with Coursiify, because it will use AI to design everything you may ever need. Your website, branding, covers, and everything else without you designing anything. You don't need to code anything. Coding may be fun for other people, not us though. Again, you don't have to worry about it, because Coursiify will do all the coding for you, without you even seeing a code. That's how powerful it is. You don't need to manage anything. Managing a business is not an easy task. It needs dedication and a lot of experience, but with Coursiify, you don't even need to worry about it, because Coursiify will do all the managing for you and keep your business running on your behalf. You don't need to integrate anything, just select your favorite payment processor. And that's it, you don't need to code or do any manual work. Coursiify will do all of that for you. You don't need to run any ads. Ads are expensive and require a lot of experience, but with Coursiify, you don't have to worry about that. You won't ever need to run ads again. Coursiify will give you all the traffic you may ever need, for 100% free. You don't need to spam anything. Many apps promise you free traffic, but in fact they just rely on spamming social media. That's not us though. Coursiify will give you thousands of free targeted clicks, without spamming or paying anything. You don't need to worry about money. That's the coolest part about Coursiify. We don't worry about money anymore. We just click a button and create our e-learning business and get a flood of sales like this every single day. This is just a fraction of what Coursiify will do for you. And it only gets better from here. Get Coursiify and launch your e-learning business now. Just pay once instead of monthly. So dear friend, if you want to buy these or want to know more, please visit the description link below or check out my bio. Thank you.